Hello guys, it's time to clean a disgusting 33 years old roof. Let's disassemble. These open space stains are easy to clean. It's behind the several mountain parts that the most noticeable dirt accumulates, hence the need to dismantle as many parts as possible. As you can see, it is much easier to access the dirtiest parts after disassembling. Here you can see the difference between a clean part, protected from the dirt cover over the years, and the rest of the ceiling. All protected parts show different colors. That is what we will try to improve with this cleaning. Here on the rooftop rubber area, we have the same situation, a big difference. We start again with the clean water in the cleaning machine tank, and we will use the Rainbow Mate, the mini motorized brush that will extract all the dirt from the roof fabric. Care must be taken in these parts because there are sharpened objects behind and there's the risk of tearing up the fabric. This ceiling is 33 years old and despite not being in bad condition, it is a sensitive material that we do not want to damage. I remind you that we don't use any water or chemicals in this process, just a mini motorized brush and the suction power of the cleaning machine. Can you see the difference with just the first pass? Here in the driver's zone, can you see the difference? I think it's obvious that this car was driven for many years by a smoking person. Luckily, we don't have any cigarette burns or holes on the car seats or carpets. In the end, another disgusting water tank with all the dirt that came out of this ceiling. Quite impressive, no? The final result is quite good, as we were able to clean and mitigate the difference between the visible and the protected parts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. You can follow more details about this restoration on our Facebook. See you on the next video.